Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own salve. This is the OG version of Neosporin, okay? This is what people would use instead, or rather not instead of, before Neosporin. It's the OG, all right? If you know anything about me, you know that I'm getting huge into medicinal and like herbal medicines. Yes, I still stock up on over-the-counter medications, and like I have the Jace Medical right here. Yep, the Jace Medical antibiotic. Whoop. I have this stuff still, in addition to learning about medicinal herbs, because I can grow herbs and I have oils and I have, beeswax, and I have all these things that I can store very easily and make my own medicines such as tinctures, which I have shown you guys in a past video. This is my mint tincture. I have a lot of tinctures in here, a lot of other ones. But today we're going to be doing a salve, which needs infused oil. This is calendula infused oil. This is my homegrown calendula. I actually have 2 mason jars of this. I don't know where I think the other one's upstairs, something like that. Anyway, homegrown calendula. I love calendula. I just love herbs. Okay, I'm gonna grab this and go upstairs. Let's go. Okay, here's our ingredients. So this is my calendula infused oil. I infused this for over a month. It was a couple months, but usually it's anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks that you want to infuse oils. Otherwise, you can just use a regular olive oil. Before I infused oil, I used olive oil. You can use other oils like grapeseed oil and all these other things, but I like to stick with just regular olive oil. It's really good for antibacterial and other properties. I use peppermint because it's really good at soothing topical inflammation, things like that. I also use this for like headaches, topical headaches. Anyway, lemon, this is really good for antibacterial properties. And then the beeswax is like a combiner, and it's going to be good stuff. Salve is crazy simple. I'm doing a double boiler method. So I'm just adding the oil. I'm actually doing just a half a cup here. This is a weird way to measure it, but I like to visually see. There we go. So what we're going to do now is heat this oil for a little bit, and before we add the wax, I'm just going to sprinkle the beeswax in there. You stir until it is melted. Okay. You enlist children to do it too. They need to learn these skills.
Yeah, I'm going to be just like you when I grow up.
Oh. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to take the essential oils. I turned off the heat. We're going to take the essential oils and we're going to do about 30 drops. Go ahead and pour it in. Okay. Yep, just keep pouring. This one's not a dropper. This is a pourer. But that's it. That's all we're doing.
Ew.
All right.
What are we making? Wait, is your red thing really hot?
So you can use any containers. Yeah, it's a little warm.
Mom, I want to pour.
I gotta do this, honey, because I'm already spilling. Ah, it smells so good. I have been using our homemade salve for years, at least 7 years at this point. And I've been using a version of this. This is a very simplified version than what I started with. But when I first did it, I looked up all of the essential oils and oils I was going to put in it. I mean, I did tons and tons of research, and I suggest that you do the same. Okay, I have books like this, Master Recipe, and I'm going to put a link down below to a past video that showed a bunch of other herbal remedies and things like that, books that talk about tinctures and salves and teas and capsules and oils and all sorts of things that you can use with medicinal herbs. But I've been using this on me and my kids, young babies, right? Babies and toddlers, and it works. It's like you notice a huge difference. It is beautiful stuff. This lasts a long time too. A little tiny bit goes a long way. I usually give this away to people because I just always have so much. You could see I only did about half of this and it filled up these. And again, these will last for a long time. A little tiny bit goes a long way. It's not really difficult to get started in some of this stuff. Yes, sometimes you're going to be looking through some of these books and you're going to be like, gosh, look at all these herbs and essential oils and all these things that I need. But what I want you to do is I want you to simplify it. Start with like one thing. Like if you want to do this salve, just buy the couple things that I said in this video and make that one salve. That's okay. Like that's all you need to do. Make that one thing, get addicted to it, and then this will become your new obsession and hobby because you're going to see how well it works, and you're going to be so amazed by it that you created this, you did this, and you don't have to be super reliant and on the store and on the pharmaceutical industry, right? Yes, like I said, I still stockpile over-the-counter medications, but I'm also learning the natural ways to do things. Yes, do I still have some Neosporin in some packs? Sure, but I'm replacing them all with salves. Actually, this is one of my purposes of doing this today. So, start with one thing. If you want to make some chapstick, start with that one thing. You want to make some lotion, start with that one thing. Get a book. Seriously, go down to the link in the description to find all the books that I recommend for herbal remedies, things like that. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Be sure to check out the links down below in the description and check out all the other videos in this survival tips series. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to my helper and my other helper who's over there. You gonna come say bye?
Come on. Come say bye.
Okay, she doesn't want to say bye. Okay, well, bye. Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Comment down below. Bye.
Bye.
It solidifies crazy fast. It'll need like at least, I let it sit for like 24 hours, but it does solidify pretty quick.